As a dad who works in STEM and works every day with clients to help them realize their dreams of using technology and data and computers to achieve things that they couldn't do before, it's really important for me to pass on that enthusiasm that I have for using technology to solve problems to my kids. I really think it's important to be future ready in the 21st century, especially to be able to do things digitally, to be able to do things that require lots of use of technology and creativity as applied to technology. That's why we were really excited when we got to try out this new kit from Sony called KOOV. And so KOOV is actually a platform. You get a kit of robotic components, sensors, motors, and things to build awesome stuff. Plus it comes with an app and a whole coding platform actually to code the different exercises into the robotics component that you build, so you can really do almost anything. I'll tell you a little more about it because it's really cool. So as an educator or a parent, you can go and register in this app yourself, and then you create a classroom, which is the case for my kids, and then they go and they can sign up on their own. So they get this login, and they can log in on their computer, their phone, their iPad, or whatever device you have. It works on lots of devices, really cool like that. Well, it's got really three big components. It's got a little more things, but these three big components that really make it really useful to kids. So one, it's got courses. So obviously a big part is the learning curve of what is this kit I just got? It's got a bunch of robotic pieces. How do I use them to do things? So it's got this course that teaches you how to build, how to code, how to test your code, and then it's also even got some courses for some exercises and challenges for them to make it really fun, to really kind of push it to the limits of what it can do. So for example, in the first exercise, you're learning how to build a police car, and you build it. It's got the motors, so it really moves. It's got a flashing light. It can make sound, and so you learn how to use all of those to, one, have a cool toy at first, but then also how to maneuver around objects. So it's got sensors that can detect objects. Obviously, it can do things like turn around, and so you can build all this code, which is the other piece that they teach you how to do, is how to make it, when it gets close to something, how does it detect it? How does it maneuver away from it? And so you get all this kind of ways where they build up coding. And one of the really lovely things about it for me as a programmer, is really gratifying, is when they mess up, there's an ability to test the code, and they can kind of see it not working. And they go, what's wrong with this? And it gives them some clues about how to debug it. So as a platform teaching them how to think logically through something and kind of systematically building up to the thing you want to do. It's what I do every day. So it's really kind of interesting to see it on a microcosm. And in fact, there was a moment there where, they were looking at the thing they were building, and the way you can, even the assembly of the parts, they've got this really nice interface where you can zoom in and rotate it and stuff. And I was like, oh man, this would be really cool to have it on my own client. So I think the team who built the app did a great job. So even beyond the courses, the kids can also, they have some robotic recipes. And again, the kids can do this all on their own. It's just a kit. It's got all the instructions. It's very friendly for right at the kids. They got to be able to read, but that's really about it. To build these recipes, code this, and there's a lot of accompanying code they can work through to do these really interesting just little projects. And they're just fun, very DIY. Kids can just go out and do it. And then outside of the recipes, they've just got a free form thing where you can, again, write your own code, design your own things, and share it with other people. You can see what others have shared. It's a really nice segmented community. There's a whole team moderating on top of that platform. So it's really safe for your kids, but it's just really cool. And the stuff that's already out there is really awesome. I will say the biggest thing about it was, my getting to help my kids, as someone who knows who's been there and done all of that. I have those skills to kind of help them with some of the coding logic, and making sure they follow through those steps. But if you're uncomfortable with that, or your kids are doing it on their own and they want some more guidance, the other thing that's cool is awesome. They have this camp that you can have, where you can have a virtual instructor come and teach your kids those courses. The kids can do it all by themselves, but having that hand of someone who's been there before and who's excited to teach kids, I think that really is what makes that all-in-one platform, when you get that enthusiasm shared. And if you really like the camp, and one of the other things is we got this trial kit. It's for home use, but they do sell this as an educator kit as well. So you can buy a whole set for your classrooms in bulk and save some money. And they offer the virtual camp as part of that as well. So when you buy that classroom kit, you can do the virtual camp as well. I think the biggest thing is that they've thought this through, end to end. It's not just the robotics, and it's not just, hey, here's a coding platform, good luck, go learning it. And it's not even just here's some learning curve for it on how to use our product. They've really thought about this too, is how to make it friendly and fun for kids, how to get parents involved, how to make it easy to learn on this platform and do things creatively on your own. I think the interface for it was really fantastic. I think they knocked it out of the park there. And as someone who's really into design pieces of technology like that, I think they did a great job. I was really kind of blown away, I think, with the presentation of it all. It was very fluid, worked really well. The kids were excited. Kids had a really fun time doing it. highly recommend it. I think you should check it out. So anyway, if you do check it out, we'd love to hear your feedback, and thanks for watching.